Hello and welcome to QuickTale English. Today, we read a simple mystery story, The Mystery of Apartment 3B. My name is Sarah. I live in a big building in the city. I live in apartment 4B. Below me, on the floor with number 3, is apartment 3B. A new person lives in apartment 3B. I do not know their name. I never see the person. This is the mystery. I live a quiet life. I wake up at 7, I drink coffee, I go to work, I come home at 6, I eat dinner, and I watch TV. But in the evening, I hear strange sounds from apartment 3B. At 7 p.m., I hear a loud sound, thump. It is a heavy sound. Maybe it is a chair, but the sound is only one time. At 9 p.m., I hear music. It is old music. It is very quiet. The music stops after 2 minutes. It is very strange. At 11 p.m., I hear a noise like water. Drip, drip, drip. But the water is running fast, like a shower. Then the water sound stops fast. I talk to my friend, Tom. Tom lives in apartment 4A next to me. Tom, do you hear the strange sounds from 3B? I ask. Tom says, I hear the music. It is very old. Maybe the person is old? I never see the person, I say. The light is never on in 3B. I wait by the elevator. I wait by the door. No person comes out. Tom laughs. Maybe the person goes to work at night, Sarah. Maybe they sleep during the day. Maybe, I say, but I do not believe this. One day, I am sick. I stay home all day. 7 a.m., quiet. 10 a.m., quiet. 1 p.m., quiet. 3 p.m., still quiet. The strange sounds only happen in the evening. Why? At 6:30 p.m., I look at the door of 3B. The door is old and brown. It has a small piece of paper on the door handle. It says, Welcome. I am brave now. I go downstairs to the third floor. I stand in front of apartment 3B. I knock, knock, knock. No answer. I knock again. Knock, knock. I hear a sound inside. It is a very slow sound. Drag, drag. It sounds like something very heavy is moving on the floor. I feel cold. I move my ear to the door. Then I hear a voice. The voice is very soft and very low. I cannot understand the words. It is like the person is talking to the floor. I am afraid. I run back up to my apartment. I close my door. I lock my door. I sit on my sofa. At 7 p.m., I hear the loud sound, thump. This time, it sounds very close. At 9 p.m., the quiet old music starts again. At 11 p.m., the fast water sound starts and stops. The sounds are the same, but now I know the person is real. I call Tom. Tom, I was at the door of 3B. I heard the voice. I heard the slow sound. Tom is quiet for a moment. Sarah, I checked the building list today. Apartment 3B is empty. No one lives there. The apartment has been empty for 5 years. I look at my door. I hear the music, quiet and old. My heart is fast. If the apartment is empty, who is making the sound? And who wrote the note on the door? I do not know. but I listen to the strange sounds every night. The mystery of apartment 3B is still here. Thank you for joining QuickTale English. Subscribe for more simple stories to practice your A1 English. See you next time.